Jen, and I'm at the Hazelton Hotel today in Toronto, and I'm going to share 8 never fail packing tips so you can travel like a pro. You really want to consider your luggage when it comes to your carry-on. You want something that will fit into the proper dimensions and is also really lightweight. I happen to love the Travel Pro Platinum Elite collection because it is super lightweight and it also has tons of storage compartments, so all of your items will fit in nice and snugly and stay organized. When it comes to fabrics, you'll want to pick something that's super lightweight because it'll be a lot easier to roll up and take up less space in your suitcase. Clothing-wise, you're going to have to edit down your items. I know it sounds really hard, but it's worth it in the end. Just look for things that have multi-purposes, so things that you can wear from day to night, like a great pair of black pants that you can wear with runners and a denim jacket during the day to be casual, but dress up at night with heels and some great accessories, or even a jumpsuit like what I'm wearing. Just throw on some really cool heels, a great clutch, and you'll be good to go for night. My next tip is to make sure that all of your clothes are super flat. So that means you're gonna need to iron it as flat as possible, and this is really gonna help in the rolling process. After ironing all your clothing so that you get it really flat, you're gonna wanna roll it up. I don't believe in flat packing. I've never had it work where I can get a lot of clothing in, so I like to roll. And what you want to do is make sure that you roll your clothes really tight, because the tighter you roll your clothing, the more space you're going to have to put in more clothes in your suitcase. Being organized is key when it comes to packing your carry-on, so make sure that you use either packing cubes like these or the different compartments in your suitcase to help maximize the space. Shoes. It's the biggest issue when it comes to packing a carry-on, but it's really not that hard. You just have to edit like your clothes. So wear your biggest shoes on the plane, take a pair of heels and a couple of pairs of flats, and you're set. My final tip is, once you have everything set in your suitcase, there's still tons of space in here to tuck in extra items, whether that's another pair of sandals, an adapter, or any other accessories. Thank you for watching, and I hope that these tips will help you out on your next trip. For more information and more travel tips, visit TRAVELANDSTYLE.CA.